Hello everyone, I hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. This is Ms. Kunjan Daswani standing before you from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, and I welcome you all to your e-learning classes of English text. Today we will be doing a chapter of your English textbook, that is your Gulmohar reader, and the chapter that we are going to do today is your chapter 10, The Storm. Okay, so now you can open your books to page number 99 and you will find the chapter 10 over there. So, this is your chapter, that is chapter 10, that is The Storm. So, the main characters of this story are Alec, he is a young boy, okay, and the second main character is the Black Stallion, okay. So, we are going to read about them in this story. So, now let us move further and let us find out what is the story all about. A young boy, Alec, is sailing home to America after visiting his uncle in India. When the ship called the Drake stops at a port, a group of men drag a beautiful, untamed black stallion on board. Alec loves horses and is captivated by this animal that won't let anyone come near him. Okay, so now the young boy, which was Alec, actually he was going back to America from India after visiting his uncle. Okay, so he was traveling in a ship which was called the Drake. Okay, the ship name was the Drake. Okay, so now what happened? The ship stops at a port, and at the port where the ship stopped, some group of men have came with a beautiful untamed black stallion. Okay, so now that black stallion, that as we know, that as we are going to see over here, that Alec used to love horses a lot. Okay, so he was also captivated by seeing that black stallion. Okay, and that black stallion has an ability that he was very unsociable. Okay, he won't let anyone else come near him. Okay, so in a bid to befriend the horse, which is called the Black, Alec starts leaving lumps of sugar at its stall every night. One night, at a terrible calamity strikes the ship. What happens to the boy and the horse? So now what happened? As he wanted to be friend with that black stallion. Okay, so that's why he starts leaving some cubes of sugar at its stall. What is a stall? It's a small covered area in which animal is kept. Okay, so he used to keep some lumps of sugar, some cubes of sugar at its stall every night. Okay, so one night a terrible calamity, a terrible disaster came over there and it strikes the ship. So what happens to the boy and the horse? Are they alive at the end of the story? Let's find it out. The night was hot and still. Heavy clouds blacked out the stars and long streaks of lightning raced through the sky. The Black had his head out the window, his ears pricked forward, his nostrils quivering, his black mane flowing. Alec could not turn his eyes away. He could not believe such a perfect animal existed. Just then the Black turned and whistled as he saw the boy and again faced the water. So now the scene has been described to us that the night was hot and still and the heavy clouds were surrounding all the stars, okay, and long streaks of lightning raced through the sky. Okay, now what happened? The Black had his head out the window. Okay, the stall was made for the horse, okay, in which that stallion was staying. Okay, so the Black had his head out the window, okay, and his ears pricked forward. As his head was out of the window, his ears has a quick alert, as I told you that he was quite unsociable. So he just wanted to see that nobody is around or nobody is near him. Okay, so now his nostrils quivering, his nostrils were shivering, and what happened, his black mane following. So these are what? These are the black mane. Mane is what? Mane is the hairs which are there on the head or the neck of the animal, especially the horse and the lion. So you can see over there in this picture, which is given on your book on page number 99 also. So now Alec could not turn his eyes away. So he was just, he couldn't believe that such a perfect animal exists in this world. Okay, so just then the black turned and whistled as he saw the boy. So just then what happened? The black turned towards him and then he saw the boy. He whistled as he saw the boy, and again he started facing the water. So now Alec felt elated. It was the first time that the stallion hadn't drawn back into the stall at the sight of him. So now what happened? Alec felt elated. He was actually extremely happy because it was the first time that the black stallion had drawn back into the stall at the sight of him. He had responded to something. He hadn't gone back to his stall again. So moving closer, he held out the sugar in the palm of his hand to the stallion. The black turned and whistled softly this time. So now what happened? Moving closer, as he saw that he had not gone in the stall again after seeing Alec. So what he did was, he held out the sugar in the palm of his hand, okay, and he held his hand towards whom? Towards the stallion. Okay, now here you need to write your first internal question. What is your first internal question? I am reading it. How does Alec respond to the stallion's gesture? How does Alec respond to the stallion's gesture? Okay, so the answer for this one is in your para second on line number 4. He held out the sugar in the palm of his hand to the stallion. Okay, so this is the answer for your first internal question. Now let's move further. Alec stood his ground. No one had been this close to the stallion since he came on board. But Alec knew that it would not be wise to get any closer and so placed the sugar on the sill. The black looked at it, then back at the boy. Slowly he moved over and began to eat the sugar. Alec watched him for a moment, satisfied. Then as the rain began to fall, he went back to his cabin. So now what happened? Alec was just standing still over there because of what? Where he just remained where he was. Okay, because no one had been so much close to him on the board, out of the board members. So, but Alec knew that it wouldn't be wise enough to go more closer to that black stallion. Okay, so that's why what happened? So he just placed the sugar on the sill. So now the black looked at it, then back at the boy. So now the stallion looked at him and then he just looked back at the boy, and then what happened? Slowly he just moved over and he began to eat the sugar. After that what happened was, for a moment he was watching that stallion while he was eating and he was satisfied. But after that, as the rain started to fall, as the rain begins to fall, he just moved back to his cabin. So now in the middle of the night, the drake lurched crazily, awakening Alec, who was thrown onto the floor. Outside there were deafening rolls of thunder. His first storm at sea. He pushed the light switch. It was dead. A flash of lightning illuminated the cabin. The top of his desk had been swept clear and the floor was covered with broken glass. Grabbing a pocket knife, which was parting gift from his uncle, he strapped on his life jacket, hoping that he wouldn't need either. So now what happened? In the middle of the night, as he went back to the cabin, Okay, so at the midnight what happened, the drag lurched crazily. What does the lurch mean? That there was a sudden uncontrollable movement over there. Okay, so now ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि हम एकदम एक वेव आई एंड एक सडन सा एक शेकी जो शिप थी वो शेक हो गई. Okay, so that is why what happened, when he woke up, Alec, when he woke up, he found out what? That he was on the floor. He was thrown out on the floor over there. So outside there were deafening rolls of thunder. What was there? There were sounds of thunder. Okay, so बिजली कड़क रही थी, ठीक है, storm आ चुका था. So now his first storm at sea. This was his first storm at sea. So he pushed the light switch. As he pushed the light switch, it was dead. Nothing was working over there. So a flash of lightning illuminated the cabin. So illuminated the cabin, that means is the lightning that was there outside, the lightning of thunder. So that because of that there was the light which was coming into the cabin. So the top of his desk had been swept clear, and there was what the floor was now covered with small pieces of glass. So with the broken glass, I can say. So grabbing a pocket knife, he was having a pocket knife. Okay, so with the help of that pocket knife, he just he just cut that life jacket which was hanging over there. Okay, he just cut that, and he wouldn't have believed, he wouldn't have thought that he would be requiring that life jacket. Okay, because nobody thought, किसी को भी कुछ ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशंस तो आए नहीं थे कि वहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, एक स्टॉर्म आ जाएगा. ओके, सो नाउ opening the door, he staggered to the deck and hung on to the rail. The shouts of Captain Watson and the crew could be heard faintly above the roar of the winds. Huge waves swept from one end of the Drake to the other. Hysterical passengers crowded into the corridor. Alec was genuinely scared now. Never had he seen a storm like this. So now what happened, as he opened the door, he was just moved back to the deck, and he was just hanging on to that rail. So now what happened, he was just faintly, he could listen the sound of the shouts of Captain Watson. Okay, so उसे इतना clear नहीं आ रही थी sound, because there was the roaring of the wind and there was thunder and lightning over there. So उसे बिल्कुल धुंधला सा हम कह सकते हैं, बिल्कुल बहुत faintly, बहुत धीमी उसे आवाज़ आ रही थी. So huge waves swept from one end of the Drake to the other. Hysterical passengers. Now there were what? The scared people were there. The scared passengers were crowded into the corridor. They were all brought up to they all gathered into the corridor. Okay, and Alec was genuinely scared now, and he also got scared because all the passengers were scared over there. Okay, so now never had he seen a storm like this. So it was his first experience like this, because he had never been came across such an adventurous thing, an adventurous scene. So now, for what seemed hours, the Drake fought wave after wave, trembling, turning on its sides, yet somehow managing to stay afloat. The storm began to subside a little, and Alec felt new hope. But then there was a sharp crack and the ship shook. Alec was thrown flat on his face, which felt hot and sticky with blood. Then he became conscious of screaming passengers, climbing, crawling and stepping over him. Meanwhile, the Drake had become still, its engines had gone dead. So now what happened, for what seemed hours? The Drake fought wave after wave, as there was large waves, strong waves were coming over there. Okay, so it was turning somehow, but somehow it managed to afloat over there. Okay, so now the story began to the storm began to subside. Now it was just now being coming down. इतना violent नहीं हो रहा था, उसकी जो violent जो level था, that was decreasing. Okay, so now what happened? Now Alec felt that there is a new hope and they can now survive. Okay, so but then there was a sharp crack. एकदम से एक crack आ जाता है ship पर and the ship shook. So Alec was thrown flat on his face and he was just because of that sudden shake on the ship, so a sudden crack on the ship, Alec was now being thrown out towards flat on his face, बिल्कुल मुंह के बल गिर गया and he just got and his all face was just bloody, so we can say that. Then he became conscious of screaming passengers climbing, crawling and stepping over him. Meanwhile, the Drake had become still. Its engines had gone dead. So, एक time ऐसा आया that meanwhile what happened? The Drake, the ship, had become still, but all the engines were now dead. They were not working. Struggling, Alec pushed himself to his feet and made his way along the deck. His startled eyes took in the scene about him. The Drake, struck by lightning, seemed almost cut in half. They were sinking. The crew were manning the lifeboats and Captain Watson was shouting directions. One boat was being lowered into the water and a large wave caught it and turned the boat and its occupants into the sea. So now what happened? Struggling, as there was a hustle and bustle over there. So struggling, Alec pushed himself to his feet and made his way along the deck. His startled eyes took in the scene about him. So now what happened? Actually he was very shocked and he was slightly alarmed, and what happened that he carefully observed what was going on over there. Okay, so now the Drake struck by lightning. Okay, so अब क्या हुआ था? As it was struck by lightning, उस पे बिजली कड़कती है. So because of that the ship has been into two pieces. Okay, so now they were sinking. The boat was now sinking and the people on the boat were also sinking with the boat. So the crew were manning the lifeboats. So they were operating now. The crew members were operating what? The lifeboats. So now what happened? Captain Watson was shouting for the directions over there, and one boat has been lowered into the water, but it turned. Because of the large waves, it was overturned into the river, into the sea only. So now what happened? The second lifeboat was being filled and Alec waited his turn. So now as they just lowered down the second lifeboat into the water, it just stayed, and as the turn came, so now what happened? The boat had reached its quota. So उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ था कि जैसे ही और एलेक का टर्न आया, उस टाइम पर उस बोट का जो लिमिट था, लिमिट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ पीपल दैट शुड बी देयर इन दैट बोट, दैट वाज नाउ फिनिश्ड. So the limit was now being done. Okay. Now you need to mark your second internal question over here, that is, why did Alec not get the chance to go on the lifeboats? Okay, so the answer for this question is when the chance came, the boat had reached its quota. So this is the answer. You need to mark the answer over here on para 7th, second line. Okay, you will find the answer for your second internal question. Now moving further. Wait for the next one, Alec, Captain Watson said sternly. He put his arm on the boy's shoulder, softening the harshness of his words. So now what happened? Captain Watson just said to Alec that wait, you have to wait for the next one. You have to wait for the next lifeboat. Okay, so now what happened? Just then Alec thought of the black, and that at that moment of time he a thought came into his mind about the black stallion. Okay, so now what happened? What was happening to him? Alec fought his way out of line and towards the stern of the boat. If the stallion was alive, he was going to set him free and give him a chance to fight for life. So now he was thinking that what has happened to that horse, or what had happened to that stallion. So he just Alec just fought his way out of the line towards the stern of the boat, and he just wanted just wanted to check that if the stallion was alive, he would set him free, and he would give the chance to him to live his life, to fight for his life. The stall was still standing. Alec heard a shrill whistle rise above the storm. He rushed to the door and swung it open. For a second, the mighty hoofs stopped pounding, and there was silence. Alec backed away slowly. So now what happened? The stall where that stallion was kept, okay, it was still over there only, and Alec had just heard some shrill sound coming from there, okay, above the storm, and he just rushed towards that door. Okay, now what happened? For a second, the steps of that stallion was just stopped coming from there, and there was a quiet silence. So Alec backed away slowly. Then he saw the black, his head held high, his nostrils blown out with excitement. The horse snorted and plunged straight for the rail, which was broken at this point, leaving nothing between them, the open sea. So now he also knew that somebody would come to help him. Okay, so now at that moment of time, who came to help him? That was Alec. Alec came to rescue him, okay, to just his nostrils were blown out with excitement, and now what happened, as at that point of time, Alec had seen that horse, okay, and between them there was just nothing. As at that point of at this point of the boat, what happened? The ship was now broken into two pieces, okay, and there was nothing between them. Just the open sea was there. So the black swerved as he came near Alec, and the boy realized that the stallion was making for the hole. The horse's shoulder grasped Alec, who went flying into the deep. When he came up, he heard an explosion, and he saw the drag settling into the water. So now what happened? The black was now the black was turned suddenly, and as he came near Alec, the boy realized that the stallion was making for the hole. Okay, so now when he came up, he heard what? He heard an explosion over there. Okay, so he saw the drake, and he just moved back, and he saw that the drake, the ship was now sinking into the water. Frantically, he looked around for a lifeboat, and suddenly, as he was actually very much worried, and he was actually very much scared, so he just started searching for a lifeboat, but there was none inside. So he couldn't find any lifeboat over there. So then he saw the black swimming not more than 10 yards away, and that particular point of time, what happened? And that at that particular time, what happened? The black was just swimming not more than 10 yards away from Alec. So something floated by him, a rope which was attached to the black's halter. The same rope that they had used to bring the stallion aboard, and which they had never been able to get close enough to the horse to untie. Without stopping to think, Alec grabbed hold of it, and then he was pulled through the water into the oncoming waves. So now what happened? As he saw that black was swimming on just 10 yards away from him, he couldn't find anything else over there. He just found that there was a rope being attached to black's halter. What is halter, beta? It is a strap or rope that is attached to the animal's head. So now what happened? There was the same rope they had used to they had used to bring that stallion onto the ship. Okay, so that same rope was there and nobody had just untied that rope, because as we know that the stallion people don't used to come near any people, उसके आसपास कोई और लोग नहीं आने जाने वो देता नहीं था. So he was very quiet, he was quite unsociable, I can say, and he didn't let anyone come near him. So now what happened, without stopping to think, उस टाइम पे उसने क्या किया, Alec just grabbed the hold of that rope and then he was pulled through the water into the oncoming waves. So now he was too tired now to think about what he had done. He only knew that he had the choice of remaining in the water alone or being pulled by the black. If he was to die, he would rather die with the mighty stallion than alone. With one last look behind, he saw the drake sink into the sea. So now what happened? Now he was just too much tired, okay, to think that whatever he had done. Now he had just grabbed the rope into his hand and he just thought that if he has to die, then why to die alone, and he would die with that mighty stallion only. So now at that last, and he with the last look, he just moved towards the back and he saw that the drag was sinking into the sea. For hours, Alec battled the waves. He could hardly hold his head up. Suddenly he felt the rope that was tied securely around his waist slacken. The black had stopped swimming. Alec anxiously waited, peering into the darkness. After a few minutes, the rope became taut again. The horse had changed direction. So now what happened? For hours, Alec battled the waves. For hours, he was just moving into the waves. Okay, the strong waves were coming and he was just fighting with that. He could hardly hold his head up. He couldn't be able to hold his head up, held his head high. Okay, so suddenly he felt the rope that was tied securely around his waist. He just felt that it is now becoming loose. Now just what happened? The black had stopped swimming. At that particular time, what happened? The black had stopped swimming and Alec anxiously waited, peering into the darkness, and he was actually very much worried and he was just waiting that when he will start swimming again. So after a few minutes, what happened? The rope became taut again. So after a few minutes, what happened? The rope which was tied to his waist was now being tightened. Okay, so now the horse had changed the direction and he had seen that the horse had now changed its direction. 4 times the black altered his course and Alec wondered whether the stallion's wild instinct was leading him to land. Meanwhile, the first streaks of dawn appeared on the horizon. The sun rose and shone down brightly on the boy. The salt water he had swallowed made him sick, but when Alec felt that he could not hold on any longer, the sight of the struggling, fighting animal in front of him renewed his courage. So now what happened? 4 times the black altered his course. So 4 times the black changed his direction, and Alec was just wondering that if the instinct of that wild animal, that is instinct of the stallion, would lead him to land or not. So meanwhile what happened? The sun rose and shone down brightly onto the boy. So he was swallowing, and as he had swallowed so much of salt water, so he had now became sick. But Alec felt that he could not hold any longer the sight of struggling, but when he just realized that he could not hold the rope now longer for a long time, at that particular moment what happened? He just saw the struggling, fighting animal in front of him, and because of which he renewed his courage. So suddenly he realized that they were going with the waves instead of against them. Yes, they must be approaching land. Eagerly he strained his salt-filled eyes and looked into the distance. He saw a reef. He might find food and water there and have a chance to survive. Faster and faster they approached the white sand with a shrill scream and a shake of his head. The black went faster through the shallow water to reach the shore. So now what happened? Suddenly he just realized that they were going with the waves instead of against them. So उसी टाइम पे उसे रियलाइज होता है कि as the waves were moving, they were also moving in the direction of the waves. Okay, and they were not moving against the direction of the waves. So yes, so they have now understood that yes, they must be approaching land. Now the land is coming near to them. Okay, and eagerly he just strained his salt-filled eyes. He just wiped his salt-filled eyes and looked into the distance over there. So he saw a reef. He might find water and there have a chance to have a chance to survive. So what happened? He just find a line of sand or rocks over there, and he just thought that he will find some food and water over there which will help him to survive. Faster and faster they approached the white sand. With a shrill scream and a shake of his head, the black went faster through the shallow water to reach the shore. So now what happened? Now the stallion has increased its speed to move towards that shore. Okay, so because they knew that the land is now near only. So that is why the stallion increased its speed. So before that you need to mark your last internal question 3 over here, which is what? That it is already given over here. How does the writer show the horse as a symbol of courage and determination? Okay, so this only is your next internal question, and the answer for this one is given over there in para 15, line number 5, you will find over there. When Alec felt that he could not hold on any longer, the sight of the struggling, fighting animal in front of him renewed his courage. Okay, so this is the answer for your question, internal question 3, and this is your internal question given on page number 102. Now moving further, Alec's head whirled as he was pulled toward the beach with ever increasing speed. So Alec's head whirled. So as what happened, as he was moving towards the beach, he felt very much happy. Okay, and as the speed was increasing. So suddenly at that point what happened, he suddenly realized the danger that he had of his position. As he was hung on to he was moving, he had just उसके पास rope का grip था. So he suddenly realized that he had the danger at the position that he was there. So he had to untie the rope from around his waist, or else he would be dragged over the sand. Frantically his fingers flew to the knot as the shore drew closer and closer. So now what happened? जो danger था वो ये था कि if he hadn't untied the rope, वो क्या हो जाएगा? वो sand के साथ ही क्या हो जाएगा? Drag होता हुआ चला जाएगा. So that was the danger for his life. Okay, so उसे पता था कि he had to now untie the rope to save his life. The black was now on the beach. The thunder began to roll from beneath his hooves as he landed on the shore. Hours in the water had swelled the knot. Alec couldn't untie it. Then he remembered the pocket knife. Could it still be there? Alec's fingers reached inside and came out with the knife. So now the black was now on the beach. He had now understood now the steps of the horse had now been landed on the shore. So he just found out that now the stallion is now on the shore. So after as they were for hours in the storm. Okay, so they were hours in they were for so much of hours in that water that the knot which was being tied, it had now swelled up. Okay, swell up हो चुकी थी and वो और ज़्यादा tight हो गई थी. So what happened? Alec couldn't untie it. Then he remembered that he was having a pocket knife. Okay, so now with he just wondered that whether that pocket knife is still there with me or not. Then he just reached out, his fingers just reached out inside, and he just his fingers just came out with the knife in his hand. So now what happened? He was being dragged by the stallion on the shore, and sand flew in his face. He had to act quickly. He opened the knife and began to cut the rope. His body burned from the sand. His clothes were being torn off. So now what happened? He was now dragged by the स्टेलियन. उसे पूरा जो स्टैलियन था वो उसे पूरा ड्रैग करके लेके आ चुका था शोर तक से, जो उसका सी शोर था उस पर वो पूरा सा ड्रैग होकर आ चुका था. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, ही न्यू दैट ही हैड टू एक्ट क्विकली. whatever he has to do now, he had to do it now only. Okay, so he opened the knife and began to cut the rope. Okay, so now his body burned from the sand, his clothes were being torn off. Desperately, he sawed away at the rope. With one final thrust, he was through. As the black galloped to his freedom, Alec's outstretched hands caressed the sand. Both he and the horse were alive. So now what happened? He had cut the rope with the help of his knife, and both Alec and the black were now saved. They have now saved their lives, and they were now free, and now they can now Alec could observe that he could touch the sand with his hand. Okay, and now they both were alive. So this was the chapter. I hope you have understood it well, and you can do the copy work which has been sent to you with this video. Stay fit, stay at your home. Thank you.